Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a canvas easel at home. Let's start by gathering our materials. You will need some wood, specifically 2 pieces about 60 inches long and 2 shorter pieces, around 24 inches in length. Don't forget hinges, screws, and a sturdy base piece, approximately 20 inches wide. Having all your supplies ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's construct the main frame of your easel. Take the 2 60-inch wood pieces and form an A-frame. Secure the top with a sturdy hinge. This allows your easel to fold flat for storage. Next, attach the 2 24-inch pieces horizontally. These will form the ledge for your canvas. Place this support approximately 30 inches up from the bottom of the A-frame for optimal viewing height. To ensure your easel is stable and functional, we need to add a few key features. Connect the 2 A-frame legs with a chain or strong rope. A length of about 25 inches works well for a good angle. This prevents the easel from spreading too wide. Also, install adjustable pegs or a secure ledge to hold your canvas. Make sure this ledge is at least 2 inches deep for reliable support. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your new easel. Sand down any rough edges to prevent splinters and give it a professional look. Consider applying a protective sealant or paint. This will help your easel last for many years. Before you start painting, always test its stability with a canvas. Now you have a custom-made, sturdy easel ready for all your creative endeavors. Happy painting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.